Onchumulikire bono chiaragire Isato chiabono botukenga kiende na nengo kwaligania semesa ya mangana mayanyare gokomanya gati yari twaberetse gokwaliganiria kurasema mbya yarenge ntambe hweka Chinsa chigobono chiabono marogo bali tukeliganiria ijuma stariki 25 omotenye 10 mu mwaka w'ekiri bubere na 22 na manga bereka okolekana ayo abali kibaitwa babere bagosangeria koro Chinsa mo chonsi imene isiko yorongo rwa Gusii aseri bwango chikogo sansamuranira na gokomanya asenchira yobo ikirano nyirabono Joshua auta nigiariganiri gokumanya somuno wemanyererio retirana inchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha litanganika kimazera mangana yo senchira yoko ya chuta.
Use that weapon within the law. Use it within the constitution.
Daliekera onigioka bagambia mona bakonyi babo bono mbachikoye kwa chibunduki na baboli kubachitume biyote biro mu waziri bwobole ndibo imekithure kindiki.
KTDA inakata kilo moja na inafaa ikate gramu 500.
Abalimi beche bamochirie kiombe gya KTDA nase kigose tokomanye.
Today, the Kenya Defense Forces of the Republic of Kenya have undergone 1 day's pay appeal fund for drought mitigation.
Kenya Defense Force KDF berura shawa. Sayo mone yanda igora chize Isato chiabono botoke togo chakano mulikito Josephat abo chobogotu ayango bwatekana Richard Bosire uyore omo county director
balito wakana bali baraba gutwase Kisii county balito wakana abantu barame itoko batelinga chibesa pado njiraso asengenje omaitenga obolingoli buli wala okorwa wa PS bali president itu ya batara lingoli bona parliament bachoro na kibono geko ala kibasi chanyo wali basikia okawaida bona bale konyora.
Richard Bosire boigo nigo ayenekeirie abamenyi anene abagotume county ya Kisii ingamagiga ya serikali kunyara ko
ase Kisii county ngino ndo abalika wonspi yobono ekere serikali yeko
abagotu ase binyoro ao Richard nigatebire abantu banyara ko bakwerwa anene bekegoriegeke banyara ko bakorenda abantu abagotu abuba menyete na barabo ase ebinyoro ao
to gajanga ne serikali wanyete cyo gukorendero mu ibulio gata bayibuli tole ne partisans to gutwara bayibuli baitu igo tiato take initiative na into
eliterane Josephat amese Fat amisi mbia mono mulike itobe na soroboti rwa senchira yobo ekirano bono ekyombe keleke manyekanete buna Kisii and Level Trust Initiative keti imeye county ya Kisii niko kaganda tuno murobili boko bwatani ebyombe aseganga yoko babo igobo semia anenchira yoko nyara kwegendereria asoko kini ebyombe ime yorogongo rwa Gusii omulike ito mirded mumanyi nige
keti ekyogetenerete ebyombe byonsi imeye county ya Kisii niko gyatwara egekaro kyabene amona
abalemereri yake
ingo ripota ligetaseni kya Ndizi TV lietaliane Mildred Momanyi
Ibonono mulike itobene mirdede mumanyi asoroboti rwa senchira yobo ikiranu chiskuru nigo chigandete momana na KCPE na libona KCSC imeye county ya Nyamira mulike ito angini gago tumanyi buno okurogotini nigo kwa rurwe gocha saboro kiwa bali babegetemero buli yo chikumenereria asamatemo yo alibosi roboti rwa asenchira yobo ime
Ekero etigarete amatuko amake guchese amatemwa amanene a KCPE, Kipsea, KCSE.
Nyamira sub-county, we are very much prepared for the examinations. We have done the necessary arrangements to ensure that examinations go on smoothly across the sub-county.
Ayo aikeranire Florence Embunga.
In terms of security, we have deployed enough security to cover all our examination centers, and we also have standby security and invigilators that will be handling hardship cases.
Nasaba abaiboli kwa aboro kigwa chinga kichinyororo ase chinga ki echicha amatemu erinde babe bakwenekya buna bakolire buya ase amatemu ayo.
We are appealing to the parents to give the candidates, the children that are sitting for national exams, a conducive environment to enable them sit for exams, because we are aware that most of our candidates are day scholars.
Ense moyende abanyene chiba na bali bago chigokora emesangerekano asichinga kichi chamatemu mbasa bagokora emesangerekane yo ase eliogirirense.
We're also appealing to the public, especially those who are operating bus, that we reduce the noise so that our candidates can have time to learn and revise, because they are sitting for exams. Those who will be having crusades, funerals, we want you to minimize that noise, because this period is very sensitive and we would not wish our candidates to be distracted while taking the exams.
Ase ekuro entindi ya rwegogo chiase bali balige chikoiba amatemu bunamba chikoirerwa egetambokeryo egetindi.
We have not had any issue of exams being sold anywhere within Nyamira sub-county, but we want to send a stern warning to those who might be thinking to do so, that necessary action will be taken.
Nigo emerobere yonsi abekirwe kwene kinga aborokiwa baikaranyo korwa samagacho amanene ye county ya Nyamira. Ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi kurase county ya Nyamira mbiyamono muliki tabene asoroboje rwa senjira yoboy kiranu bonogo tiganere Job moncho mulikira wonto mulikere kurwa Chinsa mochinde nari yabere kago kolekana umukonyo murewenseri gadiga shawa ni gobona atebere bunensemeli yoburendi Kenya Defense Forces KADF ni gobona obaruro bokonyi go cyase Chinsa mochire chikune numurakera monenchara kolengana naga shagwa ni gatebere kyombe kyo senseme yoburendi ni go banchire kona chwagati ekibesa cyabo ekibono cyabere shiringi kimiliyoni y'emiyonti umubaro bw'abantu bari bakunene nchara nabo igon no wakwa numurakera ni go mentira no ikabantu kimiliyoni ogo cyase Chinsemesho kinga kiekeri gadiga shagwa ni gatebere buna abakenya bonse babwato bosibore asoko nyara kurwo konya se bayigo barachikurwe nambera nyarege korwegwa ogo cyasa abakenya bonse gutuma kende gyonse kere baratwara nekibesa ekiratumeke aseganga yogo kigokonya Chinsemo kiri kikunire nenchara nabo Chinseme kinigo kikaunti kiya kementire kuro kikaunti kominemo goika kikaunti kominenye kibono kiya kuni yose kikunire mono nenchara genta tebereke gendrete kwirani magega ense ya Kenya.
Today, the Kenya Defense Forces of the Republic of Kenya have undergone 1 day's pay. Who wants to make some contribution? No Kenyan should die when you have an extra coin. So I want to take this opportunity to also appeal to everybody who is here to make a contribution so that we assist Kenyans who are in a difficult situation. Finally, I want to say that the Ruto administration has identified a management style called continuous engagement with everybody, with those stakeholders. So anytime you want to interact with the president, with myself and the rest of government, we are available 24/7. Our reasoning is simple.
Abo igokera yuagendre terigadiga shagwa ni gamentre buna bali baranyore bagotumeka kibese cya senchire tabonete anaso kubwatende wona mangana yobo kurumi nobo kora anene ase Chinsemo kiri kikunire nenchara nigo bare mukirege tambo kirege tindirigade ni gatebere buna abakenya mbarao ose abantu bara baranyare kwebwatirania asoko burukania okuro wechibese kinabego nendagera asaruro kurogo tindi buno ndobwensore kero kago korre cheche ndagera beke kubwato kona abakenya na getambo kirege tindi ngana boigo yairwo koboko no motenene kambani yoboereria bwa mangana Safaricom asebate bire buna abakenya bonsi babwenete kweruko nyara gosira abakenya bande ane bali bakunire nenchara.
The National Steering Committee on Drought Response that we are inaugurating today will, among other things, establish a private-led National Drought Mitigation Appeal Fund and mobilize resources to alleviate the impact of drought ravaging parts of this country. President has established a steering committee to provide a framework for mobilization of additional resources.
We know that there is no single entity, whether in government, NGO, or but also long-term interventions.
Na ekiraboigo ayuagendrete chinka eliwe yemoni gochanya robo konyi bwendagera kurwase kembekerikia National Youth Service NYS aibono babere bakubaire ndagera anase county ya Kajiado aniga gocha maiga amenye kurwase county ya Kajiado korokana kobagati echi county chiri chikuru nemono aso wakwa numurakero kubura kwendagera echibono kekoirerwa oteba buna nigere okogosoko nego chasamenye be county ya Kajiado abono babere bakoria enyama yetu yabo anenekero ya kule egento bonensemo yobochani ya teba ni gokoroko gosereria amenyi bensemo yogochigo twara amarwere aono nekero bakunire nenchara egento ke kwando amo nebintu binde ibono biraba konye asamagimabo
kuna mchele kuna mafuta. Aliona hilo jambo ilimguza roho kama mama.
Njaa imetusumbua sana mpaka inabidi tunakula ng'ombe waliokufa misoga.
Watoto tunashamishia tu.
Gotigana na yuba tumeka na soko ene kinango renda wale awamenyi kuro chinsem nago tingyo bolendia chinsem echo na nabo kithore kindiki niga
any quarter whatsoever, and the environment and the terrain is extremely challenging, and we are not going to have a situation where bandits and criminals hold hostage our country to a level.
Berengere bya onere bya omugambi amono mokonyo ye aiwe bunduki asogekera nyo bolendi timaitina sensemo ya inkiora tebe gotigana nayo komiti teneta mangana yobo chenu wase bunge ni kubaburie kyombekeri kya mariyago kemsa ko ene kibunanko bwatoka wale amariyago chinyagetari ganga ye serikali no ko ene kibunanko nyara gotwara omuroberi bokonyara amariyago ange nabo igobo korri bwensemo yobo chenu wabwango inse jo muroberi wo universal healthcare nigo chinga kechibate biro bune kyombeke kia kemsa ngwante komenta bakoli mirimo eriko ene kibunanko rwaro bokorri bwabo bwekerengo kigoro no bokorri bwabwango gochase Aba Kenya.
Plant that makes sure that there is 100.
It does appear to us that there is still a lot more they need to do, because if we are going to achieve universal health cover, the biggest issue in health and technologies, those are things like equipment, and it is KEMSA who is responsible for making that available to the counties.
The reforms continue in full gear. As Honorable Nyikal has indicated, we've had some challenges in terms of execution of those reforms because of the litigation, and we are respectful of the court processes as an institution. We currently have about over 400 people working from the office, so we have good capacity.
Na kutoka saa hii tumeitisha mkutano, ule tutaitisha mkutano, ule tutasagulia watu wengine wapya.
Tumekataa hiyo maneno. Tumetaka kufuna sai hata leo, tukifuna kesho tukatwe kilo moja, tumekataa. Sasa tusi tumetaka ama kikataa tumaseme
na ebyombe byoborendi bitari bya serikali niko byomerana n'ebyombe binde bya serikali asensemeria kapsabete gotoka se county ya Nandi likonyera kobekemero belibene anene echinchira chiogo chigokoro bosaria sensemeyo ya Nandi anasensemo ya kapsabet kolengana n'abamenyi kurwa sensemeyo n'gobe murungani mono ase bikore byabonga go byarokande komenta byobosari byoboibi nabo igono bosagane kolengana ensemo yoborendi niko batebire bunambaga ndetse ko kirano elikone kibuna anene nkurwani baramariyogo yogo tindia abyarokane gotume kumono asenseme ya sekolende batebire bunonde bwensi oranyoreka gotume kamarigo yogo tindia goseko yaonia na chikomokirige tambukiro kolengana nelichiko.
Na tumekuwa na kikao cha maofficers wetu inaitwa multi agency team ya kuweza kufuatilia kutekeleza maelekezo ya mheshimiwa ya kwamba lazima tumalizane na pombe haramu na madawa ya kulevya. Tumefanya mkutano na sub county teams na wenzetu kutoka KRA, kutoka Nakada, kutoka kwa KEBS na kutoka County Directorate ya mambo ya 349. Na watu ambao tumepeleka kotini kufikia sasa ni watu 23.
Watu wetu wale wanauza pombe. Hakuna mtu anakuwa targeted. Ile kitu iko ni kwamba tunawahimiza wauze pombe ambayo ni mzuri, pombe ambayo inaweza kunywewa, kwa sababu tunataka tulinde maisha ya watu wetu, wa customers wetu na watu wetu.
Tutashirikiana pamoja, ofisi ya County Commissioner, ofisi ya County Police Commander, ili kuhakikisha kwamba unywaji wa pombe Nandi ni wa ustaarabu. Control is done to the best way possible.
Na umuwaziri kurasensemo yobokoreri bwa serikali Aisha Jumwa niko bona chakiri beno muroberio bokonyara ko bakonya abatakanwa asoko beka chibe sensemo chiko konye byombe aho bali bara abatakano konyara kwegendereria gochakyo muroberio ase county ya Kilifi nige byombe 15 na kama asiri tukolia lero byenyora shilingi chi milioni 5 na ibere ndugutebere ekiwa cha chiko konya ebyombe byo sabatakano konyara kwegendereria kolengana Aisha Jumwa ni gatebere ganga ya serikali na bego Kenya nogo chikoligere na kia batakano bakonyoro bokonyi anase byombe byabo konyara kwegendere chinga kiuchumi ya Kenya gendere te okonga lituko chia serinde.
The fund has also introduced a product named Thamini Loan